Hey everyone, my name is Deepak, and today I'll be telling you the step-by-step process of how you can create AI video ads of your own coffee brand. Actually, this is not a real brand in life. I'm just explaining you that you can create your own AI ad of your own brand. You can imagine and you can create ads like this. So what I've done, I've created a guide. So this is what I'll do. I'll just first copy this prompt. This is an image prompt. I will head over to Google Gemini. I will select the nano banana option and simply paste the prompt and simply hit on generate. We'll be creating a coffee ad of a brand called Shubhra's Cafe. See what a wonderful image it has generated for us. Now we'll be using Sora today for today's video. I will just turn on the VPN. I have turned it on. It takes time to turn on. I have turned it on. Now I will go to Sora GPT. I will just copy the second prompt, copy it. I'll head over to ChatGPT. I will just paste the prompt and I'll upload the logo of the cafe. And what I will write when I will write the characters should be Indian in the video, because sometimes they generate foreign characters. We don't want that in the video. You just have to mention it in the prompt. Now let's see what kind of prompt does it generates. See this? It is generating the prompt. I will show it to you. I'll go down. See what a wonderful prompt it has created. I will just copy this prompt. I will copy it. I have copied it. I will go to Sora. We are using VPN. That's why it takes time to load the interface. Sora. It will take some time. I'll just let it load. By the time I will upload the logo, I will just paste the prompt and simply hit on generate. It has been added to queue. You can see over here. It has been added to queue. Now it will take good 3-4 minutes for the video to be generated. Now by that time, what I will do, I will go to this ChatGPT. I will select a new window. I will upload the image, and what I will write, I'll just give it a voice command. Sometimes you need to be smart and give voice command. Give me the prompt to recreate this image. It has given the prompt. It will give us the prompt now. Now it will give us a prompt to recreate the image. Let's see what kind of prompt it has given us. I will just download, I'll just copy this prompt, head over to Gemini, paste the prompt, simply hit on generate. Now let's see what kind of image does it generates for us. It is generating. You will wait. See what a wonderful image it has generated. Now what I will do, by the time the video gets generated, we will just give an animation to this logo. I will download it. I will I will download the image, and what I will write. What I will write. Give me the prompt of this image for logo animation. Give me the video prompt. What I will write? Give me the video prompt for logo animation. Now we'll see what kind of see see what a wonderful prompt it has given us. I will copy this prompt. Now we'll see the status, what video it has generating. It is still generating. I said it before also. It is generating. It is in the. Now we'll go to Flow TV and give it an animation to the logo. We'll go to Flow TV. I would like to share one feature or in Flow. Now we can generate images as well in Flow TV. Nano Banana is integrated in Flow TV. I will just. It is loading. We'll wait. Sometimes AI tools takes time to load. I'll just click on new project. I will click it. I will show you where the you can find. See this? Can you see this? Create image. You can create images as well. I will select the frames to video option. I will click the upload option. I will download the generated image which we got from uh, Gemini. I will just select the portrait option and I will give the prompt. Now I will just hit on generate. Now let's see whether Sora has generated our video or not. It is still generating. As I said, takes time to generate the video. Now it will show over here on the left side, top left side. It is generating. Let's wait. By that time, let's see what kind of video. Here also it is generating. Let's have a This is the video. See what a wonderful video it has generated. Supra's Cafe. See what a wonderful video it has generated. You can even remix as well. Give it changes. Describe the changes. What I will do, I'll just type give it a voiceover in the video. It will generate once again. See what a wonderful it has taken the text as well properly. Sometimes Vio doesn't gives us that. Now I will just show you this video. I'll just make it full screen and show it to you. See what a wonderful animation it has given us. It has taken a text as well properly. Take coffee, smoke is coming, coffee flare view from the cup. Now this will take time for the video to be generated. I'll share this guide with you at the end of the video. This is the way you can create video of your own brand. You can imagine because imagination is limitless, and that's it from my side, and thank you for listening to me.